This is Savannah Reese at Sherry Chrysler, and today I have a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, stock number CP15477T. Gorgeous vehicle here. You got fog lights in the front. It's bright white in color. 35-inch Nito Tear Grappler tires. Take a look inside here. Gorgeous black leather interior. This vehicle does come equipped with remote start. Is a two-door. Has a spare tire in the back. Again, gorgeous two-door vehicle. One owner, one local owner. Again, this is Savannah Reese at Sherry Chrysler with the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, stock number CP15477T. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. My extension is 1129.